In today's video, I'm going to compare the Microsoft Bing with Adobe FireFly. Both are the AI image generators, and I'm going to test both of them with 10 prompts, and we will see that which one produces the better results. So if you're interested in watching this competition between the Adobe FireFly and the Bing image generator, then you should keep watching. So we will be using the AI to generate the prompts also. So I asked the bird for giving me the 10 different prompts. So the first prompt was a giant chessboard floating in a sky filled with swirl galaxies with pieces made of living trees and animals. So this was the result that was given by the Adobe FireFly, and this is the one. And this is the result of the Microsoft Bing image. So right at the onset, let me explain that the problem with the Bing is that its images are always dull, or kind of they have got a black shade in it. I don't know why, but you would see that their images are generally darker and blackish type, while in case of the FireFly, you can see that they are equally lit up at all places. So now we are going to try this prompt in both. So let me just change this to a wide screen, and then also we are just going to click this hyper realistic, and I'm going to change the prompt, and then I'm going to click generate. Similarly, I'm going to go to the Bing. There are no additional settings in the Bing, so I'm just going to click the create. So we'll just wait for both to give us the results. So I intentionally asked the bird to give me the different kinds of prompts so that we can check the both image generators, their capability to generate the different types of images. So this was kind of a neon image that you can see FireFly has already created. And this is the result of Microsoft Bing. So here are the results. I think this time the Bing was better than the Adobe FireFly. So both have 1-1. So now is the underwater library. We are going to generate this. Again, in this underwater library, the Bing has given us the results earlier than the FireFly. Again, the problem is that it gives a darker shade on the corners. Somehow the images of Bing are not well lit up. I don't know why. And in case of the FireFly, you can see that the image is relatively better. Let me just make it a full screen. Click on that, and you can see that it has generated an image which actually looks like that the library is underwater. So, and in the third round, I think the FireFly is the winner. Okay, now the fourth one is the pixel art portrait. Let's see now. So we have got the results of pixel art style portrait. You can see this is the result by Bing. This time I think it has done a good job, and this one is from the FireFly. I think this time the Bing is the winner. It has done well. So I think we are now again there is a tie because both are 2 each now. Okay, now it is Van Gogh's Starry Night City remix. Let's see this time impression style we are going to create. So the Bing is quicker in generating the images for sure. Every time that we have created the images, the Bing gave the results earlier. So that is the result for the Bing. Now we will wait for Adobe FireFly. I think this time again the FireFly has produced the better result. So the FireFly has a lead 3-2. Okay, this time we are going to create steampunk cat cafe. For this is the last image that we are going to create. Unless it becomes a tie, we will finish the video here. So just stay with me. Again, the Bing has given the images earlier. This is the result that is given by the Bing. This image is better. This is also better, but let's see what are the results of Adobe FireFly. I think Adobe FireFly has again outshined the Microsoft Bing. So the overall competition was for the 10 images, but I know that this will make the video longer. So we are going to finish this video here, and you can see that Adobe FireFly has convincingly beaten the Microsoft Bing images by 4 2.